Need a clear view of how your project is progressing in terms of effort? Let's explore the Effort Progress Report in BigPicture. This report visualizes project progress based on effort using the formula time spent divided by the sum of remaining estimate and time spent. It provides 3 key data points that summarize all tasks within the selected box. Original estimate, always shown as 100% and displays only the total original estimate value. Time spent, represented as a blue progress bar showing how much effort has already been used, calculated as time spent divided by the sum of remaining estimate and time spent. Remaining estimate, shown as a blue bar indicating how much effort is still needed, calculated as remaining estimate divided by the sum of remaining estimate and time spent. Together, these indicators give you a clear and intuitive picture of how much work has been completed and how much remains. Each report allows you to add a public note, making it easy to share context. Just remember, these notes are only visible within BigPicture and are not synchronized with Jira. You can also refresh the data at any time and zoom in to focus on specific details. The Effort Progress Report is available in multiple places across BigPicture. In the Hierarchy view of the Overview module, in the Info bar panel of the Gantt module, in the Details view of the Scope module, in the Backlog of the Resources module, and in the Info bar panel of the Board module. That's all. The Effort Progress Report helps you understand how effort is being spent and how much work remains in your project.